So you want to build an email list from scratch? Well, in most spaces, you're going to be told that it takes thousands of dollars in paid ads. You have to make all these different lead magnets. You're going to have to do 12 months of grinding and hard work just so you can build your list and get your first dollar in profit out of that list. But what if instead you could grow your list and start making money without spending a dime on paid ads? And what if you could do it in 1 month instead of 12? Now, if you haven't guessed by the title, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with this simple 5-step strategy. I've been able to build multiple thriving subscriber lists that have contributed to my companies making $100 million in revenue. Now, I call this technique the commission chain reaction, and it starts a little something like this. First, step number 1, you're going to come up with an offer. And I know I said that you're building an email newsletter list, but here we're going to create a low ticket offer. Ideally, it needs to be a digital product. Think like an ebook, a mini course, templates, things like this. And we're going to put a low ticket price tag on it. When I say low ticket, I mean $100 or less. It could be as little as $7. But I think the sweet spot tends to be right around $29. So you're going to need to create this. Now, one of the things that I want to tell you going in this video is not about pitching my PushButton AI product, but it can do this for you. So if you are interested in having your entire low ticket product, your low ticket offer just done for you, created by AI as a completely done for you service, you can check out PushButton AI, and you can go there, go to pushbutton.ai/demo. You can book a demo and find out if it's a good product for you or not. But you need that low ticket front end offer to go to the next step. And step 2 is to go out and find yourself some affiliates. So the next step is to find affiliates that will promote your offer for you. Now, if you don't know, affiliates, they're people that will sell other people's stuff in exchange for a commission. Traditionally, most people talk about doing affiliate marketing where they're promoting other people's stuff to earn a commission. And in this case, we're flipping it around. And instead, you want affiliates to promote you. They're going to promote your low ticket product and send you free traffic, and then you only pay for it when they make you a sale. And I'll explain more about that in a minute. So we're going to find affiliates, and you can do this by searching YouTube, LinkedIn. You can just go to Google and do blog searching, and you're looking for anyone who has an audience in your niche market. These could be Facebook pages. It can be people with a large Twitter followings, people with large mailing lists, anyone who has access to an audience that is in your target niche market. And you're going to find them, and you're going to make a list of them. And it just takes old-fashioned, good old research. You go click on their LinkedIn profile, you note down who they are, you find their contact information, you put it down into a notepad or a spreadsheet, and then you collect up as many of these potential influencers or affiliates as you can find. Now, ideally, I'd start with a large number, right? I'd like to at least 100 people that I'm going to reach out to, because only a small fraction of them are going to agree to promote your product. So we're going to reach out to them and we're going to say, hey, promote my product. But there's a catch here. This is not traditional affiliate marketing. We're going to tell them to promote our product, and we're going to give them all the money. Maybe that made you panic right there. We don't want any money. We're going to give them literally all the money that we're charging. So if we're charging $29, we're going to give our affiliate all of it. This becomes a no-brainer offer, so the affiliate will promote you. Now, we tell them, we make them that offer, but still only a small percentage are going to agree. And then they'll agree and they'll promote you on their YouTube channel. They'll send emails to their list. They'll do blog posts. And the best way to reach out to these affiliates, by the way, is just regular old email, which I know that sounds, a lot of people are looking for fancy technical solutions. Plain old email is the way that works the best. And if you're comfortable, you can send text messages or phone calls, try to reach out to them through direct message. And all you do is then step number 3, which I already alluded to, which is that we're going to offer them 100% commission. Now, this part might be the scariest, but keep watching because it's not as scary as you might think. You're actually going to be paying your affiliates 100% commission. So if they sell your $20 product, they keep the $20 in sales. But that's not going to be a problem because we're going to move on to step number 4. We are keeping the customers. So your influencers, your affiliates are going to send you free traffic because they're a little greedy, right? They want to make those fat commissions, 100% commissions. It's hard to turn down as an affiliate. So they're going to send you free traffic and you keep the customers. So not only are you going to be building a list, but it's a buyer list. These are people that are proven to break out their credit card and spend money in your niche market. There's nothing more valuable than a buyer list in your niche market. So now every customer has already got out their wallet or their purse and they bought your low ticket offer and they're now in your list and it cost you nothing. So you just built the most valuable possible kind of list that you could ever have and it didn't cost you a dime. It took a little bit of your time to do some research, to send some emails. So let's say you invested 10, 20 hours in the research and in the contacting of your potential affiliates. But now you could be getting thousands, tens of thousands, or hundreds of thousands of clicks coming to your site where they become your buyers, your subscribers. And they're now on your list forever. And you can continue to promote anything you want, whether it's more of your products or heck, you could go out and promote other people's affiliate offers to that buyer list. It's like affiliate inception. That's why we call it the affiliate chain reaction, right? By giving 100% commissions, you're setting off a chain reaction where they keep sending you traffic and then you get to promote anything you want to those buyers. That takes us to step number 5, and that is to launch your second offer to the list. And here is where you bank all of your profit. You get to promote whatever you want. So now you make a new, more advanced, more comprehensive digital product. Again, you could use PushButton AI to build this for you. You could use all kinds of different AI tools. But now you have your list of customers who are willing to give you money, and it's time to sell them a second, more expensive product. Now, the awesome thing about this is now you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay for your traffic. You don't have to pay any commissions to anybody. You keep all of the money on the high ticket offer. They call this the customer acquisition cost, also called CAC. So customer acquisition cost was 0. It cost you nothing to acquire that customer. And now you can sell a $100, $200, $500 product and you keep all of that money because you spent nothing to acquire that customer. So if you can repeat this strategy over and over and over again, you just rinse and repeat. You can keep growing your list, and each time you do it, it costs you nothing. So for those out there who are seeking a low or no cost way to build a business, this is it. It is my #1 preferred strategy. In fact, I have an entire course that I'll give you for free if you end up joining PushButton AI. It's available to all PushButton AI customers. It's a comprehensive course called Commission Chain Reaction, and it teaches you step by step by step how to do exactly what I'm talking about. I'll give this to you if you become a customer. And if you want to learn more about PushButton AI and how it can help you accomplish your commission chain reaction, then you're going to want to head over to pushbutton.ai/demo. You can book an appointment, jump on Zoom. We'll find out if PushButton AI is the right solution for you. And then you can become part of our early access program. And then as a bonus, I'm going to give you my complete commission chain reaction course absolutely free. So there you have it. With that, I hope this was insightful, gave you a new way of looking at how you could build your business. And if you like this content, then give the video a like. You'll see the like button right down there. Give it a tap. It helps me out. I will be very grateful. And with that, we'll see you next time. And oh, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. What are you doing? The subscribe button, it's right down there. It's usually red. You want to click it. Click the bell icon and tell YouTube you want to learn every time we release new content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. So for those of you who are not yet a PushButton AI customer, then you need to check this out. And all you need to do is go to pushbutton.ai/demo, pushbutton.ai/demo, and you can get a live one-on-one appointment to get on Zoom and see this powerful technology in action. And with PushButton AI, it will build an entire business from bottom to top everything you need, from your domain name to your logo to videos to audio lessons, an entire course that you can sell as your own, a 30-day email sequence that it writes. You can send a daily email for 30 days, all written by AI, and a whole lot more. It writes your sales page. If you're not sure how to write an expert sales page to convince people to buy stuff, it writes it for you. It writes a free report that you can give away to get subscribers to your list. It even creates and writes the opt-in subscription page to get people to subscribe to get the free report. And it goes on and on and on. It even writes your first 10 blog posts for you, and it can do so much more. Social media posts, ads, all of these things are done, and all you have to do is answer a couple of questions and push a button. Now, PushButton AI is not available to the public at the time of recording this video, and the only way to get in is by invite to our behind-the-scenes beta access. And during your live demo, we'll show you the technology. We'll actually work with you to actually map out an entire course that you could sell as your own. We'll outline the course with you together on the one-on-one Zoom call. And then if you so decide, if you're a good fit, you can come in, join our PushButton AI beta program, and be in business with that very course by the next day. Go to pushbutton.ai/demo to figure out if this powerful technology is right for you. You can register there. You'll book an appointment in the calendar. Be sure you show up. Our team will be very excited to meet you and show you how the tech works, outline your new course for you, and hopefully it's a fit and we can work together to launch your next business.